Kimberly Dofelmire. I'm a realtor here with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, and I'm here to introduce to you this week's open houses. Come and check them out. Want me to just give it a practice go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope to see you there.
Hope to see you there.
I want to feel like it's
Okay. Tomlinson, I'm a realtor. Let me try that one more time. Tomlinson, and I'm one of the realtors here, and I don't like that one at all, so sorry.
That's okay.
With Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, I'm here to introduce this week's. I knew if I talk too fast too, I gotta go slower.
So cute though. What is going on with you?